potty training just got easier and fun with this potty training seat that has light and sound. So let's have a quick look at it. The musical notes over there have sound on each of them, so anywhere that you press has a sound to it. Okay, so let's have a look at the item itself before we continue. The seat can be separated, so when baby sits down and does their business, you can see, you can lift that up, you take out the bowl itself, and then you empty it, and then you put it back, and then you can fit this back on it. It is so easy. With just those steps, you are done. Literally, that's it. There is no plenty steps to it. And then the splash guard, which is this, can be folded. The splash guard can be folded. Okay, so when baby wants to stand up, you can just fold this like this, or when they sit down, you want to prevent splashes, you can fit it back, and that's it. It is not difficult. It is very easy. I think this product is entertaining. It's something that will attract them to actually want to potty train. Let's look at the rest of the sound functions. It has a flashing sound effect. Mind you, it does not actually flash, it doesn't take water, but you hear the sound effect just to give it a touch of being able to flash. So they should just play with it and assume they are flashing anyways. That is practicing how to use the actual potty. Okay, so let's look at the off and on switch. Let's turn it off. You can turn this off over here. If you do not want all of the sound and the lights, no distractions, you can turn it off. Let's turn the back and see where the battery slot is. There's a battery slot behind the item. You can take out the batteries, you can fit in batteries nicely. And then let's turn it back and let's see the other function, because this is multifunctional. So with the seat cover, this, you can use this on a main potty. So let's pick up the box and see how it is. Okay, so you see over here, let's turn the box around. Over here, so when baby grows, when they grow up to the stage where they can use the actual potty, you see this picture, you can use this part of the product and put it on the actual potty for them to sit on. So you do not need to go and buy a smaller potty seat cover for them to use. You can move straight from this product to your actual potty. And this is not a bulky product, it is pretty cute. It comes in multiple colors. The box, it comes in multiple colors, so you can get it in these 3 colors. It comes in blue, it comes in pink, and it comes in white. Okay, so this is the blue color. It's the exact same thing, just in blue, and the pink color should be somewhere. Okay, the pink color is only beneath it, so this is the pink color. It is the exact same thing, just in multiple colors, for you to be able to make a choice as to which one you want. Okay, so let's play the sounds and enjoy some of the sounds before we go. Let's lift the item. Okay, lift the item, show you round it, 360, round it. So that is 360 round it. Let's look at the whole thing, 360. Let's look beneath it. That is beneath it. That is exactly how under it looks. This is beneath the product. That's how it looks. This is everything about it. We turn it around, and that's it. So that is it for this product. I think, in my opinion, I think it's a pretty entertaining item for potty training. It will actually give baby a reason to come and sit on it and potty train. Thank you for watching today's video. We will see you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.